Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to North Country Off Grid. We are in the pig hut today. We are in the birthing hut. Young Scarlet here is ready to have babies. We checked her this morning and she had milk in every one of her teats. So it's always a good sign. And then just a little bit ago, you can see she actually started building this nest. I've talked to a few different people who said they had no idea their pigs even build nests. So I don't know if they're providing material for them, or if not all pigs do it. I think pigs try to build a nest though. All of my pigs have always done it. So if you throw grass or straw down for them, they'll collect it all up and make a nice little nest. Looks like a giant bird's nest. So she's been restless here the last little bit. She's starting to leak some fluid out the backside. But her restlessness is a sign as everything starts to move down and get ready for the birthing process. She'll continue to flip over and move around to get comfortable about every 5-10 minutes, kind of shift her weight and keeps moving around. I'm showing you guys just a couple of other things to let you know what to look for so that you can see it. We love to be here for it. We love to watch it. So we're always constantly checking on her, and not just checking to see if a baby had popped out yet, but looking at all of the signs to let us know so that we can be here for it. Pigs like to bury their heads during the birthing process. They'll actually bury their face under grass for some reason. I don't know if it makes them feel hidden, and which makes them feel comfortable, but they all do it. And as we were climbing in here, she actually backed herself out, but she was just up underneath all of the grass and had a bunch of grass on top of her head. But like I said, there was some fluid discharging. There's actually fluid discharging right now. So you can see it's very pink, it's very swollen. It'll continue to discharge, and then all of a sudden the pig will pop out and we're in full swing. She should angle her body a little bit differently though. Generally they like to lay on their sides and they'll kind of extend their legs out. They'll start a grunting pattern as well. You'll kind of hear it, and then basically what they're doing is they'll go into a trance. At that point you can really move in around your sow. Scarlet is really well tempered, so the fact that I'm in here now and she's getting ready to give birth is okay, because she is a nice tempered pig and will allow it. Our other pig would not have me in here. She'd be barking at me right now. You guys can see Dixie knows it's time. Dixie's in here. If you're new to the channel and you haven't seen the other animal births, guys, Dixie is a huge part of it. She's always involved in it. So this is what she does, and she's been over here with Ruby and her brand new piglets, just keeping an eye on them. Basically the last 3-4 days that they've been alive, she sleeps out here in the pen. She's always checking in on the piglets. It's a pretty cool dynamic. Dixie wants to be the first one to know when it happens. Okay, so we had another big discharge. You can see it looks like she's contracting a little bit in the back here, and then she just shifted her weight, so she just got sideways. She was laying kind of straight down, sort of like a dog does, but she just shifted her weight sideways, and eventually she should shift her weight a little bit more, get a little more sideways, and kind of stretch her back legs out a little more as well. All right, guys, so I'm not sure if you saw that first one came out backwards, so I did grab it by the back hooves, pulled it out. It came out nice, actually. Good looking piglet, came out big, doing his thing. He's down where he's supposed to be, or she. It's down where it needs to be, and so hopefully it'll just start nursing and do its thing. But we got that one out quickly, which is a good thing. You always want pigs to come out hooves and nose first. So anytime back hooves, grab them, pull them out. Well, guys, there you go. There's the first couple minutes of life. Yeah, the little piglet pops out and instinctively knows to go where to drink from, where to get milk from. It's amazing. And they'll wander around mom sometimes. They might wind up by her head, go all the way around her back, and they always come back down to the teats, and they always find the milk. It's so amazing. So, you know, first 3-4 minutes of life, he's already dried off, of course, with Dixie's help. Already nursing, and she's already pushing, ready to go on the next one, which is pretty quick. Usually there's about a 20-minute, 15-minute interval, all the way up to an hour with some new moms. So we're on to the next. It looks like we might get a little bit of rain coming in too, but it's a nice warm day out, so these guys are going to do great. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the first few minutes of this piglet's life. If you want to see the whole thing, go check out the live stream of it. We'll show you guys as much as we can. We'll catch you on the next one.